Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dum dum dum. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making grilled cheese and tomato soup. Wow, can you see it? Wow, black and white. Look at all that. This Fiona and cake. Wow, aren't they so cute? So we're going to be doing this into two parts. As you can see here is the grilled cheese. I'm going to do this second and I'll make this first. So for the tomato soup, because it takes, I read ahead a little bit, it takes about an hour and a half. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. For the grilled cheese, it says it makes 1 serving, but I'm going to be making 2 servings today. And yeah, I guess that's it. So did you guys notice how there isn't like those little like snippets at the top like this, you know? It's not really on here, and yeah, you can't really see it, but there is some words to read right here. But I think it's because like what Fiona and Cake are like Ice King's fan fiction or something like that. I mean, I think it's a really cute detail. There's also quotes. A lot of quotes on here though from Fiona, Cake, and of course Ice King. So let's go ahead and read these. Dearest Dad, out sick? Mother just got home from the hospital where she was under constant surveillance. Serve them this hearty meal of instant benefits. Oh my god, is it constant surveillance? Current state of America. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we have like, how many quotes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quotes. God damn. All right, so there's optional additions. Why not a handful of potato chips, which we can add that later. And then we have, ooh, bacon. Choose bacon, which we do have bacon for the tomato soup. I am pretty excited to try and make soup because like I feel like I make soup all the time, but not like special soup. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. The blender's involved and whole tomatoes are involved and blended way. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, and then apples and brie would be nice too. Dang. And then Ice King says, I love to illustrate my recipes when I'm not busy stomping out to send throughout the kingdom. Wait, you're allowed to just put cheese in a sandwich, then call it a sandwich, nothing else? That's all I've ever wanted in a sandwich. Just melted cheese. Word to that. Girl, you've never heard of grilled cheese? It has a name? It exists and he didn't tell me? You can dunk it in tomato soup too, which is my favorite way to eat grilled cheese. So I am looking forward to making this. Silently screams in delight, Fiona. Me too, Fiona. Me too, girl. It's gonna be a thing, so I don't know. This feels a little messy because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so. But here is everything that we need for it. Quite a few things, but it's mostly just for the soup, because soup things. So, whatever that means. Since I'm going to be doing the tomato soup first, I'm going to start reading that and then the grilled cheese, even though technically speaking, it's showing itself first and like showing here first and blah, blah, blah. But you know what I mean. If you don't, well, figure it out. I love grilled cheese. I haven't made grilled cheese in a hot minute, but I did make it a lot whenever I was younger, especially like teenage to like early adult years. I ate it all the time. And then I switched over to eating nothing but like ramen. You know, the natural progression of life. So yeah, as always, we're going to be carried by this little baby blender here. So it might take a little bit longer to get it all sweet, but I mean, it's because I got to make it harder for myself. Also, I don't have room in my kitchen for a full-size blender. Well, that's what we're going to do. Let's get started. And here are all the ingredients. Wow. There's also this 5 cups of broth that is ready to go. There's so much. All of this, like literally all of this, and then like 4 tablespoons, all for the soup. And then some butter. That's all for the grilled cheese. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. Let's go. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. For the tomato soup, in a large pot, melt the butter over medium-high heat and add the bacon. Cooking it until it is soft and fat is rendered for 3 to 4 minutes. Add onion, carrot, celery, garlic, and cook on medium heat. When the carrots are just getting soft, add flour, stirring and cooking for about 5 minutes, being careful not to burn it. Pour in the chicken broth, tomatoes, and thyme. Simmer for about 90 minutes, stirring that's a big word for Elmo. Working in batches, begin to transfer the soup to a blender, adding the cream as well and pureeing on high for about 30 seconds to ensure a smooth soup. Okay, so it's been about 90 minutes. This is how we're looking so far. We're gonna go ahead and move this into the blender. Okay, so it's about 118 right now. How long do you think this is going to take? And how many times do you think I'm gonna have to fill this up? Take your guesses. I'm gonna guess 4 times filling it up, and it's gonna take like 20 minutes. Let's see, what time is it right now? Exactly. I don't know. Shit. 118. Oh, it's still 118. Damn. So much happens in a minute. Catch me on the Okay. Let's see how many times. How many cups is in there? I can do math. It says max. So I don't know, like 2 cups? I feel unsafe when this is plugged in, so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. I'm scared. I should get like a scoopy thing. This will work great. Okay. I have what's it called? A funnel. And it fits right on that bad boy. So, bring it to a boil again before serving. So, when do I add the flour? Did I forget to add the... When the carrots are getting soft, add flour, stirring and cooking for about 5 minutes. Be careful not to burn it. I forgot to add the flour. So, it's already been 90 minutes. It's too late now, I think. It's a little chunky though. But it's going down, baby. Okay. I just don't want to make a mess, but I think I just need to accept that I'm going to make a mess. Yep, there we go. Like that. Like that. We're going to do our best. That should be good, right? I'll add a little bit more. Accept. I just have to accept. Oh no! Dude, what the heck? Okay. Well, that's part 1. That's 1 so far. Let me get a container that I'm going to put it in. This is the container I'm putting it in. I'll just put it in here, and then I'll just move it back when I get through the entire thing. Since I'll be using this container anyway. Oh! Damn, she's thick. I wonder how much thicker she would be if I remembered to put in the freaking flour. Alright, that's 2. Alright, that's 3. Okay, and then we'll just pour the rest of it in there now. Look at how messy this is. Don't look at it, actually. So it's looking more like pumpkin soup more than tomato soup already so far. So, maybe I added too much heavy cream. That didn't leave too much, actually. Yeah, that's fine. Dude, it fit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna be off a little bit. Okay, so now we're just gonna pour I don't care that there's like a little bit left in there. So I'm just gonna pour it back in here now. Now I gotta bring it to a boil. This is so messy. Boil, oil, and sugar. Actually, I don't think that was the right words, but anyway, boil, please. Okay, that was only 5 steps too, though. It's just put everything in there. And then this is literally only 2 steps. So technically speaking, it's like 7 steps. That's so much less than the Lich King one, which was like 15. And that one took 40 years. Okay, it took like 4 hours. Let's go. 40 years. For the grilled cheese, place the cheese slices in between the sourdough bread, sprinkling some of the Parmesan in between all the layers of cheese. In a medium skillet, melt the butter over medium-high heat and place a sandwich in the pan. And they also have a weirdly shaped sourdough, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I'll do it like that, I guess. Should I cut off the edges? Should I? I don't know. Maybe I will. Oh no, cheese is falling out. Okay, this looks weird. Should be looking thick. Thick. There we go. There's our grilled cheese. Let's go ahead and make it. Sear it on one side for 2 to 3 minutes until bread is golden brown. Flip and repeat until cheese is completely melted and both sides of sandwich are toasted. Okay, I'm gonna flip it now. Oh, look at that shit. Oh, damn, man. Ooh, hold on. Where's the fork? That's fucking right. Dude, sick as shit. Ooh, she's melted too. Look at that. Melty. How's this side looking? Oh, okay, a little too much. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it on this side so you don't have to look at the ugly side. But if you really want to see what it looks like, I'm about to, oh my god, this is gonna hurt. Look, are you ready? I'm gonna put it on this side so you have to like actually know. Okay, alright, it's not that bad actually. Grilled cheese! Dude, look at that beast. Excuse me. Like, okay. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Now let's go ahead and make that second one. Alright, and here's the reveal. Wow, dude. Dude, look! That one's not as good. Look at this beach! Oh my god, you're beautiful. The soup looks like, it looks like pumpkin soup, not tomato soup. If I like squint really hard, it still looks like pumpkin soup. So yeah, there she is. I'm so excited to eat this. I haven't had a grilled cheese in who knows how long. Look at it. Look, that looks good. I'm afraid to like do too much, but okay, let's try it. Okay, ready for the soup? It doesn't look red at all. It's tomato soup. Can you tell it's tomato?
Oh, is it supposed to look red?
I don't know.
What does the picture look like?
Black and white.
Oh.
Yeah. Damn, it's pretty good.
Got a little kick to it. I like it.
Yee! It's pretty good. I'm about to dip this shit. This beautiful grilled cheese. Look, do you see how beautiful it is? It's gorgeous. All right, ready? And now I'm gonna try it dipped. I'm gonna try it dipped.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the?
Good lunch.
Yeah, holy shit. I think we're also just hungry.
Yeah. But also, it's just good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. We got plenty, so I guess that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I am starving, but it's also super good. It's so good. Oh my god. I don't remember how many times I said I wanted to do the it 3.5. It was like 3.5 times I had to blend it. I don't remember what I guessed, so I guess I'll see when I'm editing if I was right or wrong. But yay, we did it. We made it. Yay, thank you, Rhett, so much for the suggestion. I'm sorry it took me so long to get through all of them, but we did it, and I am so happy with it. Holy crap. That grilled cheese, and I forgot. Since I hadn't made grilled cheese in a minute, it made me forget how much I love them. So we'll see if I end up just having grilled cheese for the week. I'm gonna be the worst thing in the world. I'll make it for the week and then never eat it again until I get reminded again. You know the cycle. You don't? Oh, well, that's the cycle. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really enjoyed it. I think I'm excited to eat the rest of this for lunch. And yeah, if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time Cookbook, I have a list of options right here for you. Hey, are you looking? Is it on the screen too long? Or is it not on the screen long enough? I have on work in progress for the ones that I haven't finished or that I'm going to do next. The ones that are checked are the ones that I have already done. So that way we can all be on like the same page kind of everything that I've made from the cookbook. So yeah, there's that. Here's a list of things that I'll be making next in the cookbook. Thank you for everybody who has left a suggestion. It's really exciting to like get through all of them and everybody's like participating, so thank you. We're gonna get through the list like this, mostly in order. The plan is for it to be in order, but we'll see. It goes that way sometimes, as in life. So, you know, as long as you guys are patient with me, thank you. We'll get through the entire list. If there's anything from the list that's already completed that you want to see, I do have a playlist linked in the description down below, as well as in the comments. So if you want to have like the whole playlist, see everything that I've made from there, there's your options. I'm also kind of currently going through the Final Fantasy XIV and Gudetama Cookbook, but I've been kind of primarily going towards Adventure Time since that was the one that has like the most suggestions right now. So there's that. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from those specific cookbooks, you guys are more than welcome to. I have those linked in the description as well down below. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Do you guys like grilled cheese? Oh god, I fucking love grilled cheese. It's so good. You guys have like a special way that you make grilled cheese? Like, is there like a treat yourself kind of way that you like to do? I used to like just get fancy cheeses and like have it, and I didn't really take note of all of them. I just wanted to eat grilled cheese. Yeah, honestly, that was it. So with the sourdough, this shit fucking slaps. So it's super good. It's yummy. I love it. I'm a big fan. So yay! But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not. You're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye!